Hi, this slide is about the study of polyurethane waste material at Peninsular Malaysia. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Fernandez Anak Julius Tungkyo. My metric number is 180175. Right now I am in year 3 from program BNL, Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering Technology, and I am from Cebu, Sarawak. First, the supervisor T.S. Dr. Nick Nomunira binti Mat Hassan and co-supervisor T.S. Dr. Tengku Noazila binti Raja Mamat have been guide, encourage, advise, critique, and motivate me throughout this research. I will proceed to introduction of this research, where the key environmental issue of solid waste management in Malaysia is highly dependent on landfilling as primary method of disposal in dealing with this continuous increase in solid waste production annually. Means that the municipal solid waste management is simple sanitary facility is better for the protection and environmental safety of urban and rural community. So I will more to study on the polyurethane waste content in Peninsular Malaysia, and as we know polyurethane, or we can call it PU, content almost anywhere in everyday life. For problem of study, the issue of solid waste management is the biggest obstacle for developed country authorities. Waste management and recycling are largely influenced by the lack of planning and implementation, and the volume of polyurethane waste is manufactured every year. The serious problem is the waste from it. As we know, polyurethane waste is problematic as numerous hazardous chemicals such as isocyanate, hydrochloric acid, and resin are released when these materials are incinerated. PU product deposited into landfill also decompose into hazardous environment damaging substances. For the objective, first one is to study the type of polyurethane waste material management at Peninsular Malaysia. Second one is to identify the component waste material management and fabrication method for polyurethane recycling in Peninsula through questionnaire. The third one is to analyze the current polyurethane recycling method in Peninsular Malaysia. For the scope of study, in order to achieve the purpose of this report, the scope of work must be taken into consideration. First one is this study focus on type of polyurethane waste materials such as rigid polyurethane, flexible polyurethane, and semi-rigid polyurethane. Second one is this study is recover the result solid waste in Peninsular Malaysia. Third one is for respondent of the study, 150 to 300 needed from company, people, and student. For the literature review, these are the list of the article I have been got from the source, and the info of the literature review have been put together to collect the data and all about the polyurethane. Next is methodology. The left hand side is the flowchart of my progress, and doing the methodology in this report, I have been used the qualitative method for analysis, where it addressed in this chapter on how to collect the data based on public opinion in order to achieve the main objective of this report. Next is I create the Pew recycling questionnaire and the method used to perform the survey. For this study, I have been conduct the survey through the development of questionnaire. Then I will put it inside the Google form, interview and telephone to get the respondent such as public, student and lecturer. Once I have the result of the questionnaire, I will analyze the survey, whereas I use the quantitative method, where it used to emphasize quantitative analysis and statistical, mathematical, or numerical analysis of data obtained by my survey and questionnaire. In the other word, I will focus on collecting and generalizing numerical data through group of people where describe a specific phenomenon. And quantitative research are classify and isolate specific variable to seek the correlation, relationship, and causality. This is my Gantt chart for the study. Overall is 14 weeks. I have been done all the tasks and action to be taken, and I will asking from my supervisor to check everything from chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all from me. Thank you.